Hello children, how are you kids? Are you happy? Safe at home? Yes. Today we are going to talk or we are going to start with a new grammar topic that is prepositions. Can you just repeat after me? Prepositions. The word itself you can understand. Preposition. The word that shows some kind of positions. Isn't it? Prepositions. Repeat after me. Prepositions. Okay. So we'll go into detail and we have 4 prepositions to study today. We'll go into detail each one. Okay, so take page number 163 in your worksheet. 163. So first, now look into your worksheet. Miss will read from the board. Okay. So, prepositions. Position words. Position words. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between two things. Preposition is a word that shows the relationship between two things. You have two objects or two things, and the preposition is a word that shows relation. Avaru thammilulla bandham. Relation between two things. First preposition, on, in, under, between. 4 prepositions today we are going to learn. First one is on, in, under, between. On, in, under, between. These are the 4 prepositions that you are going to learn today. So what is preposition? They are position words. They show the relationship between two things. Shows a relationship between two things. Okay. So first one is on. Let us see where we use on. On is used with days and also talks about touching the surface. Where is on used? On used with days. Days means what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all are days. So first place, on is used with days. With days use on. Just see here, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday. So first point is on is used with days. Clear? Okay. Examples. I will see you on Monday. I will see you on Monday. It's a part of the week. The week begins on Sunday. The week begins on Sunday. Sunday is also a day. So first point, make it clear that on is used with with days. With days. Monday, Sunday, Tuesday. Chitra will come on Monday. Raju will come on Tuesday. So with days use on. First point. Next. On is also used when you touch a surface. That's the point is here. It also talks about touching the surface. Touching the surface use on. Example, Emily is sitting on the bicycle. can see Emily, she is sitting on the bicycle. So here also we use on, touching the surface. Second, Paul is sitting on the chair. Paul is sitting on the chair. Here also you have the boy is touching the chair. It is touching the surface. Surface means what? Outer portion. Okay. It's what you call outer region. So Paul is sitting on the chair. Okay. Here also we use on. So on is clear for you children. So two places we use on. First one is with days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. With days we use on. And second is touching the surface. The pen is on the table. Okay, the book is lying on the bench. Okay, so touching the surface also we use on. So these are the two places we use on. Okay, now next, in. Next is in. In is used with other parts of the day, with months, with years, with seasons, and also describes the point itself. Okay, so in is used with parts of the day. It's not with days, parts of the days, that is morning, afternoon, night. So in is used with parts of the day, first place. Then with month, January, February, March, all are months. With months we use in. With years, varshangal, 2020, 2019, in 2020. So in is used with year also. With season, which are the seasons? Winter, summer, then what? Rainy. These are seasons. Now we are in which season? Yeah, we are going towards winter season. Isn't it? December, November, all winter seasons. So seasons also we use in. Okay, so just remember that point. So in is used with part of days, then with months, with months we use, with year we use, with seasons we use in. The next point is, okay, I will see the example and we'll go to the next. Example, he likes to read in the afternoon. See, afternoon is a part of the day. So, in the afternoon. The days are long in August. In August, that is a month, so in is used. The flowers will bloom in spring. Spring is season, so we use in spring. So with part of the day, with months, with seasons, we use what? In. We use in. Is it clear? Okay. Then one more point. In is also used word to describe the point itself. To describe the point itself. Example, the child is in the basket. Where's the child? Can you see the baby? He is in the basket. So, in the basket. That means the child, it specifies a particular point in the basket. Okay. So, when you mention a particular point, we use in. The dog is in the kennel. The girl is sitting in the classroom. So, in, to mention a particular point, we use in. So children, recall. So in is used. First point is with parts of the day, with seasons, with what? With year, and with months. With months we use in. Once more, part of the day, with months, with year, and with seasons we use in. Then the next place is in is used with to specify a particular point. Okay, particular point. The child is in the basket. So this much is about in. Next comes under. Third one, under. Under is used when the object is lower than a point. And the object, here can see a rabbit here, and it's lower than a point. Under, you know, the meaning itself shows under, tare. Okay, example, the rabbit burrowed under the ground. Where is rabbit burrowed? Under the ground. Under the ground. So that also shows the rabbit is lower than a point. So it is under something. Under the ground. Okay. So this under. Next is between. Between. Between is used in the space separating two things. When is between used? In the space separating two things. You have two things on your either side. The space separating two things you use between. Example, Rama is sitting between Rahul and Johnny. Or Jia is sitting between Ryan and Jahan. So between means in the space between, or the space in the gap separating two things. That is between. Example, an orange tree grows between the apple tree. You can see the orange tree here, where it grows in the space separating two things, isn't it? Between apple tree, you have apple tree on both sides and you have orange tree between them. That is space separating two things. That is between. So we have here between. Understood, children? So I hope 4 prepositions are clear. Yes? Yes. Okay, the first one was on. On is, just recall your points. On is used. Yes, with days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On Monday, on Tuesday. With days we use on. And with touching the surface we use on. She is sitting on the table, on the chair. The book is kept on the table, touching the surface. We use on. And second one is in. In is used with parts of the day, with season, with months, and with year. Varshangal we use in. And the second point for in is used to specify a particular point itself. The cat is in the bag. Okay, it is particular point we use in. So on and in is clear. Third is under. You know about under, it comes down, lower to a point, under. And the fourth one is between. The space separating two things. In the space separating two things we have between. Okay, it's clear? Yes. I'll go to few examples. Okay, just read. The flowers are in the basket. You can see the flowers are in the basket, particular point. A bow is tied on the handle of the basket. Where is a bow? You can see in the picture. Bow is tied on the handle of the basket, touching the surface, isn't it? So, bow is tied on the handle of the basket. Next, there are many gifts under the Christmas tree. You can see in the picture a lighted tree. There are many gifts. You can see gifts kept under the tree, under the Christmas tree. So, it's under, down, lower point. Decorations are hanging on the tree. You can see decorations hanging on, touching the surface on the tree. The star is on the tree. The star, you can see a star on the tree, that is also touching, it's touching the tree. So, here we have few examples. Flowers are in the basket. Bow is on the handle. Then next, decorations are hanging on the tree. Star is on the tree. And the last one, we have gifts under the tree. Gifts are kept under the tree. Is it clear, children? Shall we go to one example? Shall we do one exercise? Now take page number 165. We'll write the answers. Take out a pencil, everything. Get ready with your worksheet. Page 165. Prepositions. Words which tell us where a person or a thing is with respect to another are called prepositions. Again, description is given once more. Words which tell us where a person or a thing is with respect to another. The relationship between two. That is preposition. We studied earlier. So, it shows a relationship between two things. Are called prepositions. In, on, under, between. Okay, it's clear, children. Now we'll do the examples. Question number 1. The rabbit is dash the tree. See the picture. You have to answer from the picture. So the rabbit is dash the tree. Where it is? It is under. It is under. So take out your pencil and write here under the tree. Next, the boy is sitting dash the bench. From the picture you can see the boy is sitting. Yes. What will be the answer? On the bench, touching the surface. So, on the bench. Next, third one. The parrot is dash the cage. Can you see the parrot here? Yeah, where is the parrot? Is in the cage. Particular point. It's in the cage. Cage is given. So, not on the cage, not on above. It is in the cage. Now, fourth. The sparrow is sitting dash the branch of a tree. The sparrow, you can see a sparrow here sitting, she is sitting dash the branch of a tree. Branch also you can see here, branch of a tree. So touching the surface. So what will be the answer here? On the branch of a tree, touching the surface. So on the branch of a tree. Next, fifth one. The calf is in dash the elephants. The calf is in dash the elephant. What is the calf standing? Yeah, it is standing between the space separating two. So what will be the answer? Yes, between. Calf is in between the elephants. Between the elephants. Now, sixth one. The puppy is dash the box. The puppy is dash the box. Where is the puppy? Yes, puppy is in the box. The puppy is in the box. Isn't it? Inside particular point in the box. Seventh one. The boy is dash the tree. Children, just see where is the boy. It is the boy touching the surface. So the boy is on the tree. The boy is on the tree. Okay, understood, children? So under the tree, on the bench, in the cage, on branch of a tree, between elephant, in the box, and on the tree. Next page, page number 166, we have 6 more questions. Those questions you have to do it by yourself, and we'll have a discussion later. Okay, you got the 4 points, isn't it? Yeah, in, on, under, between. With these 3 prepositions, you have to fill this page 166. And parents, please go through their worksheets and you have to check whether they have written is correct or wrong. And we'll have a discussion later. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear. Preposition, make it thorough. We have lot of exercise to do. I think we have lot of pages, no? Till page number 172 we have preposition chapter. Okay, so we have lot to do. So make it clear and understand which place, where we use all these. Okay children, see you next video. Thank you. Bye.